about to make some pineapple wine. Make sure you get pineapple and 100% juice, non-GMO. Alright, you want to take your gallon, remove 2 quarts of water out of it. And pour some in this pan. That's good. We get it hot, put it on high heat, put a pound of sugar in here. These 2 cans of crushed pineapple juice and all. Oh yeah, plickety plop. If you don't have cheesecloth, you're gonna need some when you move it. You move it to the secondary. I don't know, you might be able to transfer it. Pound of sugar. It's 2 1/4 cups. Let that start rumbling. Then we're gonna put it back in here.
You're rolling.
All this on there.
Yep.
That's what you want right there. It starts rumbling, you turn your heat off. Then you want to transfer this back to your jug. Alright, I'm going to use EC 1118. Get you a cup of water. Make sure it's between 95 and 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. Once you're at the right temperature, pour your yeast in there. Stir it in. Aerate it. Give it about 5 minutes. All right, you want to stir your yeast up one more time. Make sure your wine's cooled down. You want to shake it really good. Then put your airlock in there. Come back in 2 weeks when it's done bubbling. Alright, we're ready to move this pineapple wine into the secondary so we can clean it up. I'm going to use this cool little siphon once again. I can't wait to try this. I really love pineapples. Every year for my birthday, my mom used to make me a pineapple upside down cake. Now my wife does. It's just the best shit ever. And a cast iron skillet. Look at that. Pineapple.
Dump it in a bowl through a strainer. Can you help doing that?
Nah, I got it. Braid my hair while I do it. You got me, bitch?
I'm good on that. Reminds you when you was in prison, huh?
Motherfucker, I ain't never went to prison in my life. Stupid. Knock on fucking wood, though. Look, you make me knock on wood.
Oh, yeah, that's just, you just pretend you're in prison, huh?
Yeah.
Call Bubba over.
Always wanted a big Bubba.
A big Bubba. Eat your cornbread.
I want a tattoo, naked lady on my back. So that when he's making sweet love with me, he can look at my naked lady tattoo. Sweet Bubba love.
Yeah, she done sit for a couple days.
It's all good. I think it's about all she wrote. We're gonna need something tall and slim.
We need to lift it over on the side. Look.
Pour it down with a fucking funnel.
Alright.
Pull that up here.
Look how clear that is.
Oh, look at it. It's beautiful.
Look how clear that is in the house. Hold on, let's try it before you dump all that sludgy shit in there.
We'll try it on the end of the video. We're
All right.
ruining it. We know we'll get no spoilers before it's done. We'll clean it up again. We got no particles in this. Put your airlock in there and wait a few more days, and then you can bottle it. All right, we got 3 bottles out of that. We're about to give it a taste, see what it's all about. Ready? Pineapple wine, let's give it a try. I expected it to be better. It's good, but it's really dry. It's a little too dry to be, you know what I mean? I expected to like this more because I love pineapples, but the wine makes it, or the yeast fermented it to where it's drier than shit. So you're not getting any of that sweet pineapple flavor that you want. You're still getting a taste of pineapple, but I say it needs some sugar or something. We'll see. Let me know what you think. All right.
We'll try this pineapple wine. I smell alcohol. That's really dry. Pineapple is not strong at all. It's super dry.
It's not bad,
No.
but it's just dry as shit.
Yeah, I expected the pineapple flavor to be stronger, but
Expect some sweetness.
yeah,
Is what it is. There's
almost
no sweetness.
No sweetness at all. Late, you get pineapple really late. It's good though.
He drank a bottle of that too.